Starting to get pretty dark here in Montfort, Wisconsin, out near Boscoville. Riding into this line. Doesn't look too promising on radar. Storm's kind of breaking apart, but I'm gonna ride up into this and give you guys a little bit of a show if I got it. See what happens. Nice little storm cell in Montfort, Wisconsin. This thing's just coming out of Boscoville. I believe it's rated for an 1.25 inch hail, 50-mile-an-hour winds. See how far we can follow it. A little bit of rising scud there. Not seeing anything too interesting yet though. I did see broad rotation on the radar earlier, but I am not seeing any rotation in the ground here. Lots of rain coming though. Probably gonna have to reposition to stay out of the rain. We got rising scud. Comes the wind. It's a pretty cool looking storm. I have to get the hell out of this thing's way. We're just starting to go. Very broad rotation, if any. Wind and hail. Dodgeville, Wisconsin. Pretty cool line of storms. Tornadoes yet. This severe one, we'll see what happens. It's starting to feel pretty outflowy, but we'll see. The storm is definitely cranking. Tornado. I don't think we're going to today though. I don't know. It's pretty cool. A lower one. We might actually have one. I don't know. Maybe a little funnel forming. Another storm earlier did have broad rotation on it, but I'm not seeing anything too crazy yet. It'd be nice if my live streaming would work for YouTube, so that I don't really have to get out of the vehicle after 5 minutes to take a video of this. Still fun. Sun really cranking down. Try to get out ahead of it some more. That cloud is extremely low compared to the cloud base here. This is the rest of the storm. Wild looking. Looks way better in person than what it does on radar. I have no clue what the heck that thing is doing. It's pretty neat though. This looks like that cloud's like right on the ground. Some random scud above it. Pretty wild lightning going on too. Very cool stuff.